Some engines don't just die. They take your wallet, your patience, and your car with them. Because when an engine fails, it's not a repair, it's an execution, based on verified data from consumer reports, owner surveys, and recall investigations. These are 12 engines so flawed they're ranked from bad to catastrophic. This is bidding for autos. Let's begin. 12. BMW 335i 2007 to 2013 N54 N55 engines. Built for performance, engineered for pain. The 335i's twin-turbo engines suffered fuel pump and injector failures, leading to stalling and limp mode. Even after recalls, the same issues returned around 70,000 miles. Average repair, over $5,000, often requiring rebuilds. Performance thrill. Wallet kill, 11. Mercedes-Benz C300, 2008 to 2014 M272 engine. Luxury badge, nightmare core. The M272 V6 hid a fatal flaw, balanced shaft gear wear that destroyed timing and demanded full engine rebuilds. Failures hit between 80 and 110,000 miles, costing up to $9,000. The lesson: even the three-pointed star can leave you stranded. 10. Volvo XC60, 2015 Drive-E engine. Volvo promised refinement but delivered regret. Fuel pump failures, coolant leaks, and sudden shutdowns plagued owners between 60 and 80,000 miles. Consumer reports blame major engine defects for its below-average dependability. Quiet luxury? Not when it dies in the middle of traffic. 9. BMW X3 2013 2.0-litre turbo. BMW replaced its bulletproof inline-six with a 2.0-litre turbo, and reliability evaporated. Timing chain defects and cylinder head failures hit between 80 and 90,000 miles. Average repair, $6,500. Consumer Reports ranked it among BMW's worst model years. Beautiful exterior, catastrophic interior. 8. Audi A4 2011 2.0 TCAEB engine. Audi's 2.0T powered thousands of A4s and generated just as many complaints. Oil consumption reached a quart every 400 miles, with coil and fuel pump failures to match. Carbon buildup choked performance before 75,000 miles, demanding expensive cleanings. A class action lawsuit confirmed the defects. Verdict: gorgeous sedan, disastrous heart. 7. GMC Terrain / Chevrolet Equinox, 2011 to 2012, 2.4-litre, 3.0-litre engines. 2 badges. Same disaster. These GM SUVs burned oil like freight trains. Timing chain wear, bearing failure, and endless misfires. Many engines were replaced under warranty after 85,000 miles. Consumer Reports ranked both near the bottom of their class. Family SUV, more like a rolling oil fire. 6. Hyundai Santa Fe, 2013 Theta 2 engine. Metal shavings left inside the factory machined engine destroyed bearings from day one. Result: knocking, stalling, or total seizure, often without warning. Failures hit between 74 and 100,000 miles. Hyundai was fined $54 million for mishandling the recall. This wasn't a defect, it was corporate negligence on wheels. 5. Hyundai Sonata 2011 Theta 2 engine. Engine, same tragedy. The 2011 Sonata became one of Hyundai's most recalled vehicles ever. Engines failed around 72,000 miles, often ending in smoke or silence. Consumer Reports gave it a 1 out of 5 reliability rating. A ticking time bomb, sold with a warranty. 4. Kia Sorento 2013 2.4-litre GDI engine. Built with the same flawed DNA, bearing wear, knocking and seizure hit as early as 69,000 miles. Kia recalled some, but not enough. Thousands were left stranded as engines died mid-drive. At this point, it's not bad luck, it's corporate repeat offense. 3. Kia Optima 2014 2.4-litre Theta 2 engine. Stylish, efficient, explosive. The 2014 Optima suffered engine fires, power loss, and catastrophic failure. NHTSA logged 44 fires, 8 crashes, and 13 injuries linked to blown engines. Consumer Reports called it one of the worst reliability scores in modern history. The engine didn't fail. It self-destructed. 2. Ford Explorer 4.0-litre V6 SOHC. The legendary SUV with a notorious motor. Its timing chain guides failed, the chain jumped, and valves and pistons were destroyed in seconds. Repairs ran beyond $5,000. Most failures hit between 90 and 120,000 miles, with little warning. When it went silent. 1. Cadillac Northstar V8, 1995 to 2005. The king of catastrophic engines. Cadillac's Northstar looked revolutionary until stripped head bolt threads ripped it apart. Head gaskets blew, engines overheated, and coolant sprayed like a geyser. Repairs often cost more than the car itself. For over a decade, Northstar wasn't a powertrain, it was a mechanical betrayal. Engine failure isn't a breakdown, it's financial trauma. Before buying a used car, check recall records, oil reports, and maintenance history, because when an engine dies, it doesn't die alone. This is bidding for autos. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and never buy the problem before you inherit one.